In today's video, I'm going to teach you add pages to your Shopify store in seconds. We'll start right inside your Shopify admin. If you're not already there, open your Shopify dashboard and, if prompted, sign in. From the home screen, look to the left-hand sidebar. Find the Online Store section and click it to reveal its options. Among those options, choose Pages. This is where all your static pages live, like About, Contact, FAQs, or Policies. On the Pages screen, click Add Page. That opens the page editor. First, click into the title field at the top. Give your page a clear, specific name, something your customers will immediately recognize, like About Us, Shipping Policy, or Returns. Short, descriptive titles make the page easier to find later and also help with search visibility. Next, click into the main content area. This is your canvas. Type or paste your content and use the editor's formatting tools to make it easy to read. Headings help break up sections, short paragraphs improve scannability, and links guide visitors to relevant products or policies. If your page calls for images or embeds, use the toolbar's buttons to insert them, and always add alt text for accessibility. Now look for the visibility controls on the right. Click the highlighted option to choose whether this page is visible right away or hidden while you're still working on it. If you're preparing a launch, you can schedule it to go live at a specific date and time. That way your content is ready, but it appears exactly when you want. Scroll down to the search engine listing section and click to expand it. Here, you can fine-tune how your page appears on search engines. Edit the page title for clarity, add a concise meta description that explains the value of the page, and review the URL handle. Keep the URL short and readable, using plain words separated by hyphens. This small step can improve how easily customers find your page. Back in the editor, use the highlighted options to adjust any remaining settings, such as selecting a theme template if your store offers different page layouts. Choose the template that best fits your content, and double-check your text for typos or placeholder content. When everything looks good, click Save. Shopify will confirm your changes, and your new page will be stored in the Pages list, ready to use. That's it. Fast, clean, and done. You've just added a professional page to your store in seconds. Keep this flow in mind,